I learned to make Singapore noodles from a Chinese master chef. I'll share with you this recipe. It will taste better than any takeout. Take a guess where Singapore noodles originated from. Stay tuned and I'll tell you more about it. I'm CiCi and welcome to CiCi Asian Home Cooking. Today I'd like to share with you a Singapore noodle recipe. It's super easy and tasty. Stay tuned for 4 simple steps. And here is step number 1. Let's prepare the eggs. In a bowl, crack in the eggs. Season them with a pinch of salt. Whisk. In a pan over medium-low heat, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add the egg mixture. Cook until it's set for about 2 minutes. Slice the eggs into strips. My daughters love it so much when I cook the eggs this way. They call them egg noodles. Well, you know, egg strips, egg noodles. It has been about 9 years since I first learned to cook Singapore noodles with the Chinese master chef Lord in his kitchen. I used to go there after work and during the weekends for about a year or so. I truly learned so much from him. Step 2. Prepare the noodles. When choosing rice vermicelli noodles for stir frying, it is best to choose the one with some kind of starch in them. It makes the rice vermicelli noodles more durable and less likely to break apart. If you know me, you know that I love all kinds of noodles. Rice vermicelli in particular holds a special place in my heart. As I grew up eating it so much in Thailand and Singapore, I love it. In a large bowl, add the rice vermicelli noodles and pour the boiling water inside. Soak for about 2 minutes until al dente. Place them in cold water to stop cooking. Drain. Step 3. Make the sauce. In a bowl, mix together the curry powder, white pepper, salt, sugar, soy sauce, and water. Whisk. Step 4. Stir fry and make the Singapore noodles. And I have prepared all these ingredients ahead of time. I'll give you a close-up as we do the cooking. Okay, let's do it. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the deveined shrimp. Stir fry until pink for about 2 minutes. Then add the garlic. And stir fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Remove. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, onion, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. Remove. In the wok over high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and transfer the rice vermicelli noodles inside. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Return the vegetables and shrimp. Also put the sauce inside. Mix everything together, followed by the bean sprouts and scallions. Mix well. Lastly, add the eggs. So here is the answer. Singapore noodles were actually created in Hong Kong in the 1950s or 1960s. That's why you might not find this dish in Singapore. These past 9 years has been a precious learning journey for me. I still meet up with Chinese master chef Lord from time to time to catch up on Chinese cooking. I'm so grateful that I can share this journey with you. This is super amazing. I love it. All the healthy and delicious ingredients all in one bite. If you also like to make chow mein noodles, check out the video right here and subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. Comment below and let me know what is your favorite types of noodles. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye! Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Also receive early access to my written recipes and short videos. Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. You are amazing.